In this tutorial, we will walk you through the complete workflow of generating a phylogenetic tree from a draft genome using autoMLST 2.0. You will learn how to upload your genome and configure the analysis step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to construct high-quality multi-locus species trees with ease. Whether you're working in microbial genomics, taxonomy, or comparative analysis, this tutorial will help streamline your workflow using autoMLST 2.0. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Click on the Start Analysis tab and upload your draft genome. Enter your email address and provide a job title for your project. Click on the Submit Job tab, and the analysis will take up to 30 minutes to complete. You can view the MLST tree displayed here. The closest matching organisms are ranked, along with the corresponding estimated ANI values. You may select a cutoff threshold of either 90% or 95%, depending on your analysis needs. The tree image and NUIC file are available for download here. The NUIC file can be uploaded to the iToll web platform for advanced analysis and visualization. Please save the NUIC file. We will then perform a brief review using the iToll web platform. Go to the iToll website, log in, and upload the NUIC file to continue. You may modify the tree display as needed. We will provide a dedicated video demonstrating how to use the iToll tools effectively. Before we finish, a quick shout out to the institutions and agencies behind this platform. We've also added a scientific citation if you want to explore the topic further. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.